Hi friends, today I'm here with another tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the ChromeOS Flex on your computer or your laptop. Now before we start, I just want to let you know that ChromeOS Flex is currently released for some early access testing and it's not recommended for production use. And now, before we now we need to see if our laptop is between these model status. So let's verify to work. It's gonna work with ChromeOS Flex. Minor issues expected. This will work basically functionally, but there are gonna be some issues, and major issues. You're gonna have a lot of issues. Now, wireless plan to be certified. These are I'm gonna leave these link in the description. Now for this you will require the bin file, ChromeOS Flex bin file, and Chromebook recovery utility. Now you create the recovery media, and now to install it, click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. So once done, it's gonna say a notification. Now open the Chromebook recovery utility. Now create a recovery media for your Chromebook. You'll need an 8GB or a larger USB flash drive or an SD card that you don't mind erasing. I'm gonna use a 16GB USB and I'm gonna plug it. Once inserted, click on get started. Now we need to identify our Chromebook. Now click select a model of the list. You must do this for your PC. Now select Google ChromeOS Flex and select ChromeOS Flex Developer Unstable. Click on continue. Insert your USB flash drive or SD card. There is it, which is 14.4 gigabytes. Continue. And now click on the settings button and select use local image. There is it. It's about 6.4 gigabytes. Click on open. Click on continue. Click on create now. Now do not remove your recovery media till it flashes, and you have to wait. Alright, once done, click on done. Then you can eject your USB, and let's move to my desk to install the ChromeOS on the laptop. Once you turn on your laptop, press the boot option key so it goes into the boot menu. Here we are. Select the USB and press enter to boot from the USB. Here we have the ChromeOS Flex boot animation. Once boot into the installer, you gotta wait for it to load. Alright, so select language and click on get started. Now I recommend first to try it first, the ChromeOS Flex, but in this video we are installing it, so I'm gonna select install ChromeOS Flex and click next. Now click on install ChromeOS Flex, click on install, make sure to have your data backed up before it's too late. It says make sure your device is plugged in and don't turn it off. The installation may take up to 20 minutes, so your device will automatically shut down when the installation is completed, so we gotta wait. Alright, so the installation is complete. Now I'm gonna shut down our laptop. Then you eject the USB and turn it back on. Now set up your ChromeOS Flex, connect to Wi-Fi and enjoy it. Once we installed, here we are at ChromeOS Flex. Enjoy ChromeOS Flex. There are many apps by Google. This is not an official build, but it's great to have ChromeOS Flex running on your Windows laptop. Hopefully this helped you. If that helped you, please make sure to have liked this video, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.